Today we're going to be making tacos, but not with regular flour tortillas. We're actually going to be using eggs. You want to make sure you use the liquid ones, because if you use the dry ones, it'll be really dry. First, let's get our ingredients. Let's get our onion, our broccoli, some Brussels sprouts. Oh, and there's even a tomato. Oh, we forgot the lettuce. Karen. Next, you're gonna chop your chicken. Sometimes when you hit it with enough force, it separates itself. Onions are sometimes tricky, so I just punch them. Take our vegetable friends and not be friends anymore. And now the chicken becomes friends with vegetables. Instead of chopping peppers, I'm just gonna use the ones I have cut in my fridge. This jalapeno's not cut yet, so I'm just gonna throw it in there. I wanna make sure the garden is watered, so I'll pour water on it. You can't have a good taco without good kidney beans. And throw your red beans on. These must be the black version or something. What the snap? Don't tell anyone. Make sure you season with salt and pepper. Now you're done with the veggies. Put them on the side. You're gonna take some cheese and then some white eggs. Pour it on there. Take some more cheese and crispalize the outside. Forgot to add mushrooms, so I'm gonna unforget and just put them on the cooked vegetable plate. After that's crispalized, we're gonna go ahead and turn Karen off, and we're gonna go around the cow milk pus and scrape it all up, and then flip it. So I forgot to oil the pan, and I tried to flip it and this happened, but it's okay, we can fix it. So now we just take some lettuce and go like this. Now we got some boats. Let's fill them up. We're gonna put on some cheese. Some fancy green stuff I found in the backyard. Some red onion, some peppers, some tomato, some chi-chis, and the stuff that the Greeks use. And finish it off with some fresh corn on top. Done. Taste test.
I forgot to eat some of the corn.